someone has asked the question like is there any use for support project also you can learn. Okay, don't consider that support project doesn't have any learning scope. Support project also you will have a learning scope. Only thing is, whenever you get a ticket, you just don't behave like a robo, just you got the question and issue and solution. You try to understand and take the KT documents and practice. If you have very busy with different activities, you can do that inbound cycle this 2 weeks or 1 week you can do for what kind of different purchase orders are there, and when do business, why did they request for these many purchase order types, how many purchase order types are there. You can put your Excel sheet. Okay, you can prepare your own notes from your kind, because you are going to work in that company support for maybe 1 year, 2 years or 3 years you are going to work. So you prepare your own notes, like how many document types are there, how many material types are there, what is the document type, what is the special procurement. Okay, so how many enhancements are there, like you have a G custom transactions. So you can list out all the custom transactions, what is the purpose of the transaction, when to use the transaction. So if you get a function specification, you can see you already have a program in front of you, and how was that consultant has how was the consultant written a function specification. You can derive that, okay, this is the output, finally we are having the program today, and how did that FS was written, so how was the FS written, and you can understand what logic they have given. If you know the basic debugging skills, you can read the program and understand the logic, everything. So if you have intention to learn even support project, you can learn a lot. So when you don't have something, why should you think too much about what is not in your hands? And most of the people have that kind of a thing. What they don't have, they will think too much, and what they have, they don't give the value. You are working in support, you just joined, or already within 1 year you cannot get a release from the project, you know that. So in that 1 year, what you have to do? If you have more scope of tickets and all, you can try to learn from that. You don't have much work, try to understand like this and prepare that kind of a documentation. You can prepare a document and give to your project manager that these are the custom transactions, everything available. I hope this document will be helpful for any new joiners. Even experienced also will struggle to understand why this custom transaction and all. Standard means we will have a command, but customized, even I struggle whenever I work for any kind of transaction in a custom project. Why did they create, what is the user manual? So if you prepare these kind of things, you can add value, you can get kind of identity in your project. Okay, and if you have some more time, then you can do any certification. You can learn another module, or you can learn, if you are interested for project management, so you are at the 4 years or 3 years or 5 years of experience consultant, start doing a 1 PMP certification, and try to participate in any kind of little bit people management activities, and give an impression to your management that this guy is active in project management, and we can consider for any small lead roles. You can take any small team lead of 4 people, 3 people, 2 people, like that, and within 1 or 2 years you can you can request, or you can get noticed for a project management. So you need to plan the career in that way. So what we don't have, we think too much, and what we have, I mean, many people do like that. So not everyone. So if you are in that category, please try to reduce. You need to achieve, that is important. What to do for that? So when I was losing 15 and 16 continuous on-site, I also like why we are missing that on-site, or why we are missing the kind of a project which I'm expecting. So if I want to that negative thing and all, today we will not be here, right? So I was looking for my strength, and okay, I enjoy this knowledge sharing, let's make it bigger. So we came to YouTube channel, and within very less response from the people, 225 subscribers in the first 1 year, but still able to maintain the same thing with that few people blessings, and today it became I think more than 4 lakhs people know at least the name Ganesh Padala, whether they watched one video or 10 videos. So we need to find out our strength and utilize that time. Okay, everyone cannot utilize 100% of the time, but at least we try to utilize as much as you can. Okay, so you can find out that which area we are enjoying more, try to do that, and which area consuming more time but no use for your career or not anything, try to reduce that area. Okay, if you are really enjoying that area, try to reduce it. You cannot make it zero. Okay, so that's what support project, no use, I don't want support project, don't say. There is a lot of scope. You can see a consultant, other consultant view, how did they prepare the function specification, what was the business requirement, okay, how many changes happened from the initial version of FS2 today, how is the project, how the program is working. So that level of analysis you can do it. So don't consider support project is a waste and all. So still you have a scope to learn.